So I'm discussing about that, how to promote your image, particular location, particular place, or particular company page. Now here I'm taking for particular website, Facebook page for promote your images. Now option call is photos. Here the option call is create an album. Now I can promote here my one of the my course here, digital marketing training. That is called will be Hyderabad. Suppose here I'm selecting for this image. Where? In Hyderabad. Now select it. Digital marketing online training in Madhapur. Where you can promote it? Online training in Madhapur. Now here, click this one. What the location is? Madhapur. This can be a Madhapur. Now click it. Now select the description. Okay. After that, just go to your website. So you can promote by the website URL also. It's very important. Is so yeah, just here, copy this URL. Just go to page. Videos. So the URL. Paste it. So any social media promoting for the two ways. What is called? @ and hashtag. What is called? Hashtag will be called trending. @ will be called tagging. Now just place here. Click for post. So image promoted by which location? Madhapur. Only for one image. Album. Multiple images. Or only for one images. Now just go to a page. So we'll check our post. Done here. Same like image. So here. Done. So which location? Madhapur. Now right click. What that? Edit post. What that? Hashtag training. Digital marketing. So yeah. What is that? L38 Rakesh Tech Solution. Training by Ash Digital Rakesh. Why am I using for hashtag for Digital Rakesh? Is my page name. Always using for hashtag. Second will be @ That is called my YouTube channel name and my website. Now click for submit. One is called hashtag. Second will be called @ So this is called only for one image. Suppose I can promote by multiple images. Where? Go to photos, create an album. So here I'm taking for back. Go to images. So you have one question here. Sir, how many images we can promote using album? We can promote 100 images for one area or 1000 images for one area. But we adding for 10 to 15 for user understand purpose. 1000 is not for good for the users. Only for 10 maximum 15. Now take here. Take this one by one image. So I'm adding all images here. So I'm adding a lot of images. Just a few images I'm adding here. Scroll down. So my all images. Now just we're searching for digital marketing. For that, training Ash videos. Ash tutorials 2018. Along with the hashtag. What the common hashtag will be there? Digital marketing. Description will be there. Now, what is that? YouTube URL. What location is Hyderabad. But my target is India. What is that? India. Now come to here. What option call is post. Video you can promote by 10 images. Image will promote by the 10 to 15 is better. Up to we can promote by the 100 images also. But 10 to 50 will be better for user understanding purpose. Now image will promote by which location? India. See this. What is that? Digital marketing one. Just go to pages here. Scroll down. That. What is that? Digital marketing training videos and tutorial. Everything will be hashtag along with the YouTube URL. These are my images. Now just click. See this one. What the target is? So you can add target by one in description here. That's all my YouTube URL. If anybody coming to this image, click for this one. They go to where? My YouTube channel. This is called individual images description also. Every images description will be mandatory field. Description will be mandatory field that we add by here. After that, go to second image. What is that? Add description, videos. See here. Click for done editing. Next one. Add description. Videos. Click for done editing. What the location is? India. Target by Indian location. This is called you can promote your images based on the Facebook page in particular location. They appear by the Google search engines.